Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of CoolU, and today I'm going to answer the question of how often do our systems need to be maintained? It's a very common question, but quite simply, in the UK here, we follow the F-gas regulations. And as a registered company, we adhere to these rules, which simply means after your installation, your system needs to be serviced 6 months after it's been commissioned, and that's regardless of use, and then yearly thereafter. And by adhering to this, you then tick all the boxes, and it means you get your 5-year parts and labour warranty, which comes as standard with our units, and you are compliant with the regulations. All this is done in-house, so quite simply, once your installation is completed, we send you out a maintenance agreement. It's not a contract, we're not there to enforce anything and hold you to ransom, but it does mean that we put you on our system, and therefore, when your system is due for maintenance, we contact you, we come out, we service your systems, make sure everything is running perfectly for you, and you're up and running for the next season. Aside from the maintenance, with us you get lifetime support, so regardless whether you're in your 5-year warranty period or not, you get a 24-hour lifetime support. So if you have any questions with regard to use, concerns, anything at all, you give us a call on the number we will provide you, and we're there 24 hours a day for you. So if you'd like any more information on what I've just said, or more information specifically on the maintenance or what we cover, etc., please do give us a call on the number below or visit our website. Thank you.